Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my room. I just got back from Jamaica and unfortunately I didn't have time to clean my room before, so my room is literally a junkyard. Like, I can't stand to be in it. And I also really need to wash my sheets. My skin right now is not the best. I'm kind of breaking out all over these different areas of my face that I don't normally break out. And all these little breakouts that I'm getting happened the night I got back. I don't know if it's the change in temperature or I have no idea, but I'm not feeling it. As you guys know, I am getting married soon and my wedding is next month. So I really don't want any acne marks or scars on my face. Granted, if I got acne marks, it would probably just look like a freckle, but I just need to get my skin in check. I also got a really huge pimple on my back. I'm just what's going on? I'm not feeling this. So hopefully this stuff works. I took this from my sister, but I see a lot of people talk about this online. The first thing I'm gonna do when I get to my room is strip my sheets from my bed because my sheets really need to be washed. Oh, my dog is crying. Hold on. Basically, when I get back, the first thing I'm gonna do is, I think I mentioned doing my bed. And I'm probably just gonna start tackling the clothes on my floor because I have a lot of clothes on my floor. I'm really tired today, and if I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel like doing any of this, but I can't live like this for another day. By the way, if you wanna skip to the cleaning, you definitely can. My skin is it's really stressing me out, and that's probably part of it. Maybe it's the wedding and I don't know. I'm just stressed out, okay? I'm stressed. I'm just adding some hyaluronic acid to try and I don't know. I think it's a hydrator or something. And then I'm gonna add this moisture cream. I usually I like to use the Pond's moisturizer, but because my skin is breaking out, I don't want to use it just in case. I don't want it to clog any of my pores. And I believe this is non-comedogenic. So, all right, let's get to cleaning. So this is the mess we are currently dealing with. I know it's super crazy. Random sidebar, I don't know why, but maybe it's a face wash, but my face is now stinging. I don't know, maybe it was a little bit too strong. But yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start with getting rid of my sheets from my bed. I'm actually gonna wash these together today, so the comforter will also get washed. All right, I had to make a little pit stop to feed my dog, and I'm going to just tackle my makeup table first because I'm just feeling a little bit overwhelmed with everything on my floor. So I just need a quick win so I could feel motivated to keep on going. I think it's definitely time to get rid of this gingerbread house. So that is going in the trash. Oh, okay. It's literally nice. That's what happened to me. Just gonna put you guys down right here while I clean this up.
Just pulled up to the house. house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a...
So I just finished. I'm gonna use some of this Windex to disinfect the makeup table.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your head. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way.
Okay, so now I'm going to move on to this section of my room. And while I'm doing that section, I'm just going to plug in this air purifier, which I will talk about while I clean. So the purifier that I'm using is from Defenda. It has a high efficiency purification system, dual in technology, a bladeless fan that helps keep your room cool as it is purifying your room. It also has aromatherapy capabilities, which is right in the front. All you have to do is like push that button that I'm pushing right there, and then you add your little drops, and it is great for aromatherapy. It also has adjustable and colorful ambient light as you're using it, and the filter is very easy to replace. It's just right in the back. You kind of just pop it open and then take out the old filter, and then you just slide in the new filter very easily. The filter is really good. It has a pre-filter which captures hair, dander, fibers, and large particles. And the HEPA filter, which is like in the center, captures smoke, pollen, dust, and other pollutants. And then the activated carbon filter captures VOC, cigarette odors, lamp black odors, pet odors, and other harmful gases. It's just something that's really great to having either your room or your home to really just like clean up the air, because I mean people tend to forget about that. They'll clean their house but they forget about the air quality in their home. And if you want to make the filter last a bit longer, you can take a vacuum cleaner and kind of vacuum the surface of the filter just to extend the life. But how long the filter lasts kind of depends on like your home and the lifestyle that you have. Like I have a pet, so most likely the filter won't last as long. This portion of the video was sponsored by Defenda, so thank you so much, Defenda, for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested in checking out their air purifiers, I will leave their website in the description box. Air purifier is still going, and honestly I kind of like it in here because it was getting kind of hot because of all the lights, and the fan that comes with it is making me feel a lot cooler. I just got a notification on my phone that my laundry is done, so I was able to finish about this much. But I'm just gonna put my sheets in the dryer now, so by the time I finish that other side of my room, I will already be starting this side, and then I can just like put all my sheets back where they belong. Everything smells nice and clean. I can smell the bleach. I felt like I needed to bleach it because my sheets were just so dirty. I feel like I definitely need to move a lot faster. So I'm gonna set a 30-minute timer to finish this section of my room. Not the counter, just the floor. There's about 3 minutes left on the timer. I finished the floor for this section, so now I'm going to move on to my makeup counter.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving the for anything.
I finally finished this section, so now I'm moving on to the final section of my room.
To you, kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
I'm just trying to create little sections so I'm able to like get through. So I'm putting my shoes over here. I'm moving my shoe boxes to the side and kind of keeping everything within their own little categories just to keep things organized.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving the for anything, emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like It's getting kind of personal. I know my inhibitions, I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and
I took a little break and I'm about to start the clothes on my bed. I completely forgot about these sheets, so I have to go wash them, and then when I come back I'm gonna get to folding everything, make my bed, and then my room will be all done.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know I want. When you tell me what want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it, solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kidding, I lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Send it like your ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam.
All right, guys, I don't even know what time it is. It's late and I'm finally finished cleaning. I'll show you guys an overview of everything. So this is kind of like how everything's looking. Nice and clean. What I actually want to do is spray my little room spray in here just so it smells very nice. I'm going to go get something to eat and just rest because I'm very tired. So if you enjoy these types of videos and want to see more, definitely subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.